100,000.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Pratibha Singh,
Yes, sir.
you will present today's assignment topic
Yes.
as allotted to you.
Yes, sir.
You have not gone through the strict principles of research methodology, but somehow I have accepted your assignment as you have corrected various times,
Yes, sir.
because every student is not aware about the strict principles of research methodology. Whatever I have taught to them in a summary manner through the online lecture, the all have not adopted these principles or these system of research methodology for writing the assignment. Therefore, somehow you have corrected your assignment very quickly, and thus partly I have accepted it. And I am giving the chance to present it because of the other students should know the basic and fundamental principles of research methodology to write the research paper and to prepare the assignment or project, whichever name it may be called. Therefore, today you will present the assignment with the research method. Research method means what you have done, what you have written in the first page, and how you have written all these things, and the second page, and so on. Preface and the acknowledgement, preface and contents, table of passage and text, then footnote and bibliography. And
Okay, sir.
the what is the use of these writing the footnotes, and what are your suggestions mostly, and apart the suggestions, how what kind of findings you have got during the searching the material and analysis of that material. Therefore,
Okay, sir.
so that on the basis of your presentation, others may correct their assignment. No one is writing the assignment according to the system. I am also somehow busy to send again and again
Yes.
the direction to the student to correct it. Then please, you have 10 minutes for presentation, and after that, the student will ask the question on the research methodology and what should be done by these students also. Before starting of your presentation, it is also
Okay.
essential to highlight some mistakes which the students are committing again and again.
Hmm.
They are committing the mistakes again and again. Half they are writing in English and half they are writing in Hindi. If the student is
Yes.
writing in Hindi, please make sure that the translation of the every word should be in Hindi. And if you want to write English also, then write the English of that word within bracket. Number one.
Yes.
Number two, the most of the students are not aware about the writing of the footnote. As I have earlier told that the footnote means the serial number of that materials which you have copied from some source. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. In the text, in the above the line, means at the last word above the line, there will be the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should be written in the end of the page also. And writing of that matter is some students are writing the PAGE at last page. Name of the book, for example, it is written the MP Jain. MP Jain Constitutional Law of India, 6th edition or 18th edition, PAGE. Don't write PAGE, write either the AT Act or P only, small p. Such type of methods is there. Therefore, please don't commit the mistake again and again. I have asked to see at least the good book, as it may be available with you at your home, and go through it and then apply your mind and see again and again. Even if I am typing and sending the instruction to you, the grammatical mistakes are also there. If one will not revise it, review it, then continuously there are the grammatical mistakes. Don't avoid the grammatical mistake and apply your mind. You have done the good work. Everyone is busy in doing the good work. Then please try your mind by applying all these things, and Pratibha start.
Sir, should I start my video or ऐसे ही करूँ?
There should be the method of starting also. Give the good afternoon and good evening or whatever is there
Yes, sir. Yes,
to
sir.
your
Yes.
friends, and
So
introduce your
video.
topic. And there is a way of presentation, as the presentation is being submitted, supposed by or presenting it by the persons who is submitting the seminar. In the good manner, it should be introduced. It should be expressed according to the system of academic function. Start it.
Should I start my video?
Your video, yes, I am good. Okay, start.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, one and all present here. My name is Pratibha Singh, and I'm a student of LLM first semester, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Law Institute, Kumaon University. Today, I'm here to present my assignment research work on the topic effects of coronavirus COVID-19 in global transformation and cooperation. But before presenting my assignment, I would like to thank our subject teacher, Professor S.D. Sharma ji, whose valuable guidance has been the once ever in the very hard time of lockdown period. He managed online classes to provide us guideline about assignment work, and it helped me patch this project and make it foolproof process. His suggestions and his instructions has served as a major contribution toward the completion of the assignment. So this is my assignment. First of all, I made the front paper. The second page paper, I have made acknowledgement. My assignment work contained 5 chapters. At the very first chapter, it is introductory part. In introduction, I have mentioned 4 subheadings, which is meaning of COVID-19, meaning of coronavirus, symptoms and treatment, rate of mortality. And after it, my second chapter is as global social transformation. And the subheadings of this chapter is social impact, political impact, impact on sovereignty, educational impact, impact on economy, impact on financial market, impact on science and technology, impact on future employment, other social areas impacted by the COVID-19. My third chapter is global cooperation. So here I coded UNGS solidarity cooperation and UN mobilizes global cooperation. My fourth chapter is legal provisions involved. In this chapter, I have mentioned section 505 subclause 1 of IPC, section 54 of Disaster Management Act 2005, section 188 of IPC 1860, section 144 of CRPC 1972, section 2 of the Epidemic Disease Act 1872, and I have coded a Kerala Karnataka border seal issue which is related to Article 21. My chapter 5 is articular, which is the finishing part of my assignment. The first subheading of this chapter is critical analysis, which is my own views on doing and second is findings, problems I faced during my assignment, and the suggestions are based on findings, and the last is conclusion.
This is over now. Pratibha. Pratibha,
Yes, sir.
it is over.
So questions हैं आपके पास तो पूछ सकते
Your the voice is not coming. What's happened? And remove your earphone.
Okay.
Remove your earphone and then speak. Speak. Pratibha, your presentation is not good.
Okay.
Again, present your topic, please.
Okay, sir.
Yes, present it. Repeat it from first. Start.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, one and all present here. My name is Pratibha Singh, student of LLM first semester, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Law Institute, Kumar University, Nainital. Today I'm here to present my assignments research work on the topic effects of coronavirus COVID-19 in global transformation and the cooperation. But before presenting my assignment, I would like to thank our subject teacher and supervisor, Professor S.D. Sharma ji, whose valuable guidance has been the once ever in the very hard time of lockdown period. He managed online classes to provide us guideline about the assignment work, and it helped me patch this project and make it feel foolproof success. His suggestions and his instructions has served as the major contribution toward the completion of my assignment. So let's get into my assignment. By preparing my assignment, first of all, I did my first front paper, which mentioned with the topic given by sir, and the second is acknowledgement. On my third paper, I have written preface. In the content part, I have taken 5 chapters in my assignment, and I have mentioned five of them on contents. First chapter is introduction. In first chapter, I have taken 4 subheadings named meaning of COVID-19, meanings of coronavirus, symptoms and its treatment, rate of mortality. Now my first chapter is over. In my second chapter is global social transformation. In this chapter, I have mentioned sub-chapters like social impact, political impact, impact on sovereignty, educational impact, impact on economy, impact on financial market, impact on science and technology, impact and future employment, other social areas impacted by COVID-19. In my third chapter is global cooperation. In my third chapter, I have mentioned the cooperation globally the countries are doing. Like my first sub-chapter is UNGA solidarity cooperation, and the second is UN mobilized global cooperation. My chapter 4 is legal provisions involved. In the sub-chapter like 4.1, I have coded section 505 subclause 1 of IPC 1860. In subchapter 4.2, I have coded section 554 of Disaster Management Act 2005. In subchapter 4.3, I have coded section 188 of IPC 1860. Subchapter 4.4 contain section 144 of CRPC 1972. Subchapter 4.5 contains section 2 of Epidemic Disease Act 1972. Subchapter 4.6 contains Kerala Karnataka border seal issue, which is related to Article 121. My chapter 5 is articular, which is the finishing part of my assignment. And the sub-chapter of articular is critical analysis, findings, suggestions, and conclusion.
What are the
Moving on, my
findings?
first,
Yes, what are the findings, please?
so my findings are
Number 1, number 2, number 3.
During the whole process of making this assignment and collecting the data, a very similar fact are found common among all the countries affected by COVID-19 was that affected people are traveler. जितने भी लोग थे जो शुरुआत हुई इस COVID-19 कोरोना वायरस की, वो ट्रैवलिंग के ही दौरान हुई. तो मेरी सबसे बड़ी जो फाइंडिंग थी वो यही थी कि कॉमन चीज ये थी कि ट्रैवलर से हुई है। तो इसके लिए सजेशन ये था कि एयरपोर्ट पे, सजेशन वाला पार्ट बता रही हूँ, एक फाइंडिंग के साथ एक सजेशन ये था कि हमने पेंडेमिक के दौरान ही हमने वहां पर स्क्रीनिंग करना शुरू करा। बट ये स्क्रीनिंग वाली जो सजेशन मैं दे रही हूँ कि अगर ये स्क्रीनिंग हमेशा वहां से रहती तो जो ट्रैवलर आ रहे थे दूसरी कंट्रीज से तो हमें पता चल जाता और उनको क्वारंटीन में उसी समय रखा जाता। मैंने बहुत पहले एक बुक पढ़ी थी तो उसमें ये होता था कि अगर एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में लोग जाया करते थे तो क्वारंटीन किया जाता था, ये सोचकर कि ये लोग दूसरे शहर से आए हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ वायरस कैरी करके लाए होंगे। और ऐसा होता है कि हम एक एटमॉस्फेयर से दूसरे एटमॉस्फेयर में जाते हैं तो जरूर वहां के कुछ ना कुछ वायरस दूसरी जगह पर कैरी करके ले जाते हैं। तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही थी कि कोई स्क्रीनिंग मेथड नहीं था, कोई क्वारंटीन मेथड नहीं था अभी तक। इवन कुछ ये शब्द भी अभी सुनने आए हैं क्वारंटीन वाले। तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही थी कि स्क्रीनिंग नहीं थी, जिस वजह से ये ऑल ओवर इंडिया और मतलब ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड पूरी फैल गई। अगर ये चीजें पहले से पता चल जाती तो फैलती बेशक, लेकिन उसकी हार्म कम होती। एंड माय सेकंड फाइंडिंग वाज, ये पूरे इस दौरान मैंने देखा कि जो फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस है वो सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, जितने भी वर्ल्ड में जितनी भी कंट्रीज है जो इससे अफेक्ट हैं वो बहुत बुरी तरह से अफेक्ट हो रही है। फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहे हैं। इंडिया की जो लॉन्ग टाइम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट पहले से ही था इंडिया के अंदर, और जब कोरोना वायरस वाली डिसीज यहाँ आई है, जो वायरस आया है यहाँ पे, तो इंडिया के अंदर इससे मूव ऑन करने के लिए चैलेंजेस और ज्यादा बढ़ गए हैं। तो इंडिया को क्या करना चाहिए, इसके लिए सजेशन ये है कि ब्रिटेन ने और फ्रांस ने अपने जो वर्कर्स हैं उनके लिए शॉर्ट टर्म सब्सिडी वाली जॉब्स दे रखी है, शॉर्ट टर्म सब्सिडी वाली जॉब दे रखी है। तो इंडिया को भी उस आइडिया को कॉपी करना चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग, सिर्फ लेबर क्लास लोग ही नहीं, बहुत सारे जो एजुकेटेड लोग थे वो लोग भी अपनी जॉब से हाथ धो बैठे हैं। मेरी सेकंड फाइंडिंग का सजेशन ये है कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को भी फ्रांस एंड ब्रिटेन की तरह उस आइडिया को कॉपी करना चाहिए। मेरी थर्ड जो प्रॉब्लम मैंने जो देखी वो ये था कि जो एक तो इंडिया पेंडेमिक से वो हो रहा है, वो ग्रसित है, दूसरी तरफ पैनिक सिचुएशंस बनाई जाती है किसी भी चीज को लेकर। सिर्फ इंडिया ही नहीं, चाइना का भी जब मैंने रिसर्च कर रही थी तो मैंने देखा था, अमेरिका का भी देखा था कि वहां पे लॉकडाउन करने से पहले ही जो नेशनल लेवल का पेपर था उन्होंने लॉकडाउन को न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश कर दिया था, जिससे वहां के लोग बहुत ज्यादा पैनिक हो गए थे। तो और इंडिया में भी ऐसी हम ज्यादातर चीजें देखते रहते हैं कि फेक न्यूज़ेस बहुत ज्यादा दिखाई जाती है, जिससे कि जो लोग होते हैं वो बिना न्यूज को पढ़े, बिना न्यूज को जाने, बिना सच को जाने पैनिक हो जाते हैं। और इस दौरान में पैनिक होना सबसे बड़ी समस्या है। एक तो हम पेंडेमिक से जूझ रहे हैं, प्लस इस तरह से पैनिक होंगे तो वो कम्युनिकल राइट्स जो होंगे उनको बढ़ावा देगा। तो इसके लिए सजेशंस ये है कि जो बिल्कुल ऑथोराइज्ड इन मामलों में जो पेंडेमिक है, पेंडेमिक डिसीज है या फिर कोई इस तरह की चीजें हैं, तो उन पे बिल्कुल ऑथोराइज्ड जो चीज होती है, ऑथेंटिक जो चीज होती है, सिर्फ उसी की बात मानी जाए। थर्ड प्रॉब्लम थी कि पैनिक जो होता है तो उसमें सजेशन ये है कि जो ऑथेंटिक है सिर्फ वही, उसी को राइट हो कि वो पब्लिश करे, इसको लेकर हर किसी को राइट ना हो कि वो पब्लिश करे। मेरी जो प्रॉब्लम थी, जो मेरी फोर्थ फाइंडिंग है जो मैंने इस दौरान देखी,
think that this should be adopted on the basis of the China system, the system which is going to be adopted by China?
What sir, what?
Do you think that you have said that only the authentic news should be transmitted by the authentic channel or authentic agency? And
Yes,
do you
sir.
think that this is the system of China?
No, sir, I haven't go through, but I haven't go through that. The system is only
Your
in China, but
contention is
many
that
of
the authentic news should be transmitted by the authentic channel. And the
Yes, sir.
authentic news is okay, it's good. Only authentic news should be given by the channel or by the agency media. But at the same time, by the authentic agency, as you have said that, whether this is possible, what agency is authentic in India? There is
दूरदर्शन
a law.
Lok
There
Sabha.
is a law. There is a law in
PNB.
Indian Penal Code, and separate law is also there. If the false and fabricated news shall be transmitted and it will be given by anyone, the law will take its own course. There is a provision.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 188 सेक्शन 1505 जो कि फेक न्यूज़ और इस तरह की चीजें के लिए होता है, बट वो जब तक एक्शन में लेने की बात आती है तब तक तो लोग पैनिक हो जाते हैं ना.
तो उसको प्रतिबंध कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाए? दिस इज वन ऑफ द, एंड द सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट इज आल्सो देयर ऑन दिस एरिया. लेटेस्ट जजमेंट, हैव यू गॉन थ्रू इट? देयर आर various judgments of the Supreme Court sumoto taken the cognizance that the fake news should and pandemic the news which will be the false and which will affect the society that should not be transmitted. The judgment was
Yes, sir.
delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court. There are the areas.
What was the name? I have
बताओ.
quoted one case named. One second.
10 minutes. You have only 10 minutes. 10 minutes remaining to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And ask the question, please. Anyone
I have
can
quoted-
ask the question. Anyone can ask the question.
I have quoted the case of Jeevanathan versus state represented by on 29 2018. Here the honorable court has held that unhealthy reasons may arise when it may be dangerous to the health of the population, and under circumstances it is evidently desirable that no person should be allowed to add this nuisance.
Okay.
I have quoted this case, Jeevannath versus state represented by on 29/18.
Okay, student, ask the question.
I have one more finding, sir.
Yeah, yes.
So my next finding is that people in India are not much aware about their health. So Indian government should take an initiative like NHS, National Health Survey, so that the people
Whether
can
this is
aware.
whether this is possible in this time of in this point of time, whereas there is a lockdown.
No, sir.
It may
In
be-
this
it
in
may
this
be-
time, it should not be. No. I'm just suggesting for future.
Future.
For future.
Future,
Yes,
the
sir.
other
Network
agencies
chalo.
are working on it and do the much work on this area, and then a complete survey is required to be conducted, and then the suggestions, more than these suggestions, after going through the findings, will be very useful to be given in future also. But the national survey in this point of time is not possible.
No, sir. it
And
is not
according to the
possible.
present situation, there should be the solution of the present problem. And do you think that what will be the future of this special kind of Mahamari? Future.
Future, the world will be the crisis of unemployment and financial will be increase.
And that topic is also given to all, and they will discuss
Yes, sir.
its financial implications.
Financial
Another
impact, sir.
topic.
As the
Yes, ask the question, please, whose mics are on, and on your mics, and ask the question relating to the research methodology, because she has adopted some basic and fundamental aspect of the research methodology in her assignment. Ask the question. The video, the Zoom will be stopped after the few seconds or few minutes. Then it will again start. Don't
guys,
leave the
please ask
screen.
question. I will try to. Please, guys, ask question. I will try to give a satisfactory answer by
And you
myself.
can, all the participants can ask the question by telephone, telephone to Pratibha, and she will give the answer. Because don't repeat the mistake again and again. It's not a good habit. About such type of habit, please. Now you are present.
Is
No
there
one
any
is asking.
Is there anyone who have answered questions? Please ask question. I will try to give satisfactory
What kind of
answers.
problem you are facing to prepare the assignment? Because I am giving the direction and the instruction again and again to correct your assignment. Then if you have any kind of problem, you can ask. Mitu Gulbe, yes. No one is asking. Then please don't send your mail without correcting and going through the appropriate and
Hello,
proper
Pratibha.
question.
Yes, Shehzad.
Hi. Good
Hi.
evening, sir.
पूछो पूछो।
प्रतिभा, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो मैथोलॉजी है अपनी कोविड-19 की, तो
Yes.
इसमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पॉलिसीज को लेकर और इकोनॉमी को लेकर जो आज की डेट में जो नई नई पॉलिसीज सरकार ने बनाई है, जैसे कि अभी कुछ 20 तारीख को कल का ही मैटर था कि बहुत सारे रिलैक्सेशन दिए जाएंगे और काफी चीजें ओपन होंगी, बट जो कि हुआ नहीं है। जैसे कि इंडस्ट्रीज को लेकर भी ये था कि बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज को लिबरलाइजेशन दिया जाएगा कि वो जो है कि स्टार्ट की जा सके, जिससे कि हमारी इकोनॉमी एकदम से बैठे ना और जो सिचुएशन हमारी खराब हो रही है उनमें थोड़ा सुधार आ सके।
Terms and conditions are there. Shehzad, खोल देंगे नहीं बोला था, खोल सकते हैं बोला था। अगर लगता है कि हमें
Hello.
जरूरत पड़ रही है इस चीज की, तब हम करेंगे। और ये बोला था कि 20 के
Okay.
बाद ओपन करेंगे अगर कोई
बट
न्यू केसेस
अपनी
नहीं आएंगे।
इस चीज की वजह से जो हमारे इफेक्ट आए हैं, मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पॉलिसीज में, मेनली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कोविड की वजह से, तो तुम्हारा इसमें क्या कहना है कि इसमें कुछ और सजेशन होने चाहिए थे या कुछ भी आपकी
जल्दी से
हाँ,
आंसर दे
हाँ,
दो।
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
समझ गई हो तो इसका क्वेश्चन
फिर बोलो।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल भी। हेलो।
हाँ,
शहजाद,
शहजाद
अपनी
बोलो
आवाज,
पर।
तुम्हारी आवाज आ रही है, बताओ बताओ।
अच्छा।
हाँ बोलो,
बस
जल्दी बोलो।
बस
शहजाद, आ रही है बात।
अरे बस रुको तो सही। मेरा कहना यही है कि ये जो रिलैक्सेशन देने थे इकोनॉमी को थोड़ा सा उठाने के लिए, ये जो दिए गए हैं बट एक्चुअल में प्रैक्टिकली हो नहीं रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए जिससे कि या तो रिलैक्सेशन दिए ही नहीं जाते। अब दोबारा से एक नई एडवाइस और जारी कर दी गई है कि एज इट इज 3 मई तक जैसे चल रहा था वैसे ही चलेगा। तो इन चीजों को लेकर जो एकदम तुरंतली चेंज लिए जा रहे हैं, एक्शन लिए जा रहे हैं, तो क्या मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ जो है वो कोई भी डिसीजन सोच समझ कर नहीं ले रहा है या कुछ सही एडवाइजरी नहीं है या क्या होना
तो एक
चाहिए?
लाइन में आंसर तुम्हारी समझ में आ रहा है तो दे दो।
हाँ सर, ये बोल रहे हैं ना कि क्या कहते हैं कि इनको बहुत सारी चीजों को बोला गया था कि कल
इनका
ओपन
दो
कर देंगे।
प्रश्न है।
बट
एक तो ये कह रहे
हाँ
हैं
सर, हाँ, हाँ,
फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी
सर,
हो रही
सर।
है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी
हाँ
जी,
डिसीजन मेकिंग
हाँ,
में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी हो रही है, पहला।
हाँ, 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 हाँ।
तो ये कह रहे हैं कि जो चीज एक बार हो जाती है तो वो लागू ही नहीं हो पा रही है। दो है समरी में।
बिल्कुल, बस वो पेपरों में तो हो रही है बट हाँ,
उत्तर देने दो इसको।
आप शहजाद,
हाँ, बोलो,
शहजाद,
यस
आप
यस।
बिजनेसमैन हैं, बिजनेसमैन की तरह सोच रहे हैं, लेकिन वहां बैठे लोग जो है वो ये सोच के सोच रहे हैं कि जो हमारी जो ह्यूमन पावर है ना, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है,
या
उसको कैसे करके बचाया जाए।
चलिए
कि
ठीक है,
human
ठीक है,
resource
प्लीज
रहे।
प्लीज हो गया इस पॉइंट
ठीक
पर
है,
चलिए।
ओके ओके
इनका ये
ओके
कहना
सर।
ठीक है, वॉट एवर इज देयर। हाँ पंकज, आर यू आस्किंग एनी क्वेश्चन?
हाँ सर, यस सर,
पंकज,
यस सर, हेलो।
हाँ, एक बार हम देखिए फिर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें मैं लिख के भेजूंगा। इसका समय खत्म हो रहा है।
ओके,
क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन
हेलो
चलाएंगे।
प्रतिभा।
मनीष, आप तैयार रहिए। मनीष, बी रेडी फॉर दैट। मनीष, आपको 40 मिनट तुम लोगों को मैं और दे रहा हूँ। क्वेश्चन आंसर
सर पूछे,
सेशन
आप क्वेश्चन पूछे
हैं। इसके बाद
पंकज जी।
बंद कर रहे हैं,
मेरा
रेडी रहिए।